Habile, fake. No. Rebound by Ortega. Pass to Durham, jersey number 7. Pass to Ambele. Dribble ball. 5 whistle. Committed by jersey number 21. First personal foul and first team foul. Jersey number 7, pass to Ambele. Fires for 3. No basket. Jersey number 5, dribble ball. Pass to Ilya Correa. Extra pass. No basket. Rebound by Padilla. Padilla to Nemisho. Back to Padilla. Padilla. Dribbling on the run. Set the play pass to Habile. To Nemisho. Back to Habile. Basket for 2 points. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Revisa dribble ball, set the play. 14 seconds to shoot. To Soklan. Soklan. Extra pass. Basket for 2 points. Habile. And same ball. With a score of 4-all. The second deadlock of the ball game. Habile. Another basket for 2 points. Ilya Correa pass to Soklan. Soklan. 15 seconds to shoot. Extra pass to the Roman. Jersey number 14. Jersey number 14 dribbling. Pass to jersey number 7. Back to Habile. Habile. To the mission. And substitution. Jersey number 5, dribble ball, looking for winning by jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 attacking the middle. Bounce out. Habile, dribble ball. Habile, on the little pass to Padilla. Padilla to jersey number 14, attacking away. On the middle pass to jersey number 10. Shot clock 12. Down. Rejected. Jersey number 9, baseball pass to Ilya Correa. And lost it at all in out of bounds. Timeout, Barangay Recreo. Remaining time 3 minutes and 46 seconds on the first quarter with a score of 6-4 in favor of Barangay Miranda. Back to the court now. Habile, dribble ball. Looking for running pass to Padilla. Padilla, pass on the middle. Jersey number 7, back to Habile. Ambele. 5 whistle, committed by jersey number 9. First personal foul by jersey number 9. Habile, faking shot, basket for 2 points. 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Jersey number 5, dribble ball, looking for winning pass to jersey number 9. Perimeter jumper, no basket. Jump ball. Beberen Saro, iyan naman sa Barangay Recreo Bula. Shot clock 13. Pass to jersey number 5, pass for 3 points by Artaga Arevesta. Habile. Pass to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 back to Habile. Shot clock 15 to Padilla. Shot clock 10. Basket for 2 points. Jersey number 21, first for 3. No. Pass to Durham. Padilla dribbling out to run. Padilla, extra pass to jersey number 14. No basket again. Rebound. Jersey number 21. Extra pass to Soklan. By Wisdom. Committed by jersey number 10. First personal foul. Soklan on the 15-foot lane. First attempt, no basket. Second throw, balls and play. Substitution. Sub. Jersey number 14, pass to Padilla. Padilla, pass to jersey number 10. No basket. Another opportunity. Basket for 2 points. Jersey number 2, dribble ball. Looking for winning pass to Revista. Extra pass to Soklan. Shot clock 10. Basket for 2 points. Habile, dribble ball. 2 guys in. Habile. Intercept by Soklan. Soklan. No basket. Jersey number 14. Basket for 2 points. Soklan again. Basket for 2 points by jersey number 73. Jersey number 10. Last touch by Pasigado. Intercept by Soklan. Pass to Revista. Revista dribbling on the run. He stopped and attack. Basket for 2 points. With a score of 14-all. The third deadlock of the ball game. Padilla, intercept again. Intercept by Habile again. Habile, dribble ball. And last touch by jersey number 14. Jersey number 5, dribble ball, looking for winning by jersey number 5. Pass on the middle. Soklan. No. $16 seconds remaining time. 15. Foul, jersey number 9. 13 seconds remaining time. 13 segundos ang nabilin. 13 segundos ang nabilin. And on the first quarter, with a score of 14-all, the third deadlock of the ball game. Soklan, warning for Tong Ting for the sportsmanlike behavior. Back to the court now for the second quarter game. This is the semifinals game 1 between Barangay Miranda and Barangay Recreo. Fadilla, dribble ball. Fadilla, pass to jersey number 10. Fires. So strong. Ruiz for the rebound. To Revista. Revista pass to Pasigado. Pick and lost inside. Perimeter jumper. No basket. Fadilla for the rebound. Dribbling on the run. Fadilla. Basket for 2 points by Padilla. Jersey number 5 has no Pasigado. Pasigado. Fires for 3. Short. Padilla for the rebound. Padilla. Attacking by Revisa. Using the glass. Basket for 2 points. Soklan. By whistle. Committed by jersey number 29. Pushing foul and substitution. First personal foul by jersey number 29. Soklan on the 15-foot lane. First attempt basket. Second throw balls and play. Fadilla all the rebound. Fadilla intercept by jersey number 2. Revista. Stop and attempt for 3. In and out. Fadilla pass to jersey number 29. One step, 2 minutes. Dribbling violation in substitution. Pasigado. Block to jersey number 5. Revista on the middle. Soklan. Basket for 2 points. Eight minutes and 15 seconds remaining time on the second quarter. Hamile. Dribble ball. To jersey number 14. Attacking by Soklan. Extra pass. Using the glass. Basket for 2 points. Pasigado dribble ball looking for winning by Pasigado. Pass to jersey number 73. Pasigado pass to Revista. Extra pass. Fires for 3. So strong. Soklan is there. By whistle. Committed by jersey number 29 again. Second personal foul. And Soklan on the 15-foot lane. Basket for 1 point. Second throw balls and play. Complete 2 points by Soklan. Habile, dribble ball, looking for winning by Habile. Extra pass to Mayola, back to Habile, shot clock 14. Rejected to behind by Soklang. Baseball pass to Revista, extra pass to Pasigano. Basket for 2 points. Habile, set to play. Pass to Mayola. Extra pass to jersey number 30, back to Mayola. Shot clock 9. Basket for 2 points. Revisa dribble ball, looking for winning pass to Pasigado. Pasigado lost inside, side step, traveling violation. Revisa, basket for 2 points. Mer, nay, ano ko na tanay? Jersey number 14, rejected to behind. Jersey number 29. To jersey number 14, shot clock 12. Shot clock 9. Ryan Whistle. Committed by jersey number 11. First personal foul. Basket for 2 points by Habile. Jersey number 2. Subject. Shot clock 5. Basket for 2 points. 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Intercept by jersey number 11, pass to Revista. Extra pass to Pasigano. Revista again, no basket. Jersey number 23, basket for 2 points. Jersey number 30. Basket for 2 points. With a score of 26-27, 1 point lead from Barangay Recreo. Pasigano, pass for 3. Herbal. In substitution. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Habile, dribble ball, looking for winning by Habile. To Padilla. Padilla, playing in. Lost inside, no basket. Padilla again for the second opportunity. Pass to Elermo. Foul. Committed by jersey number 21. In substitution. Jersey number 21, second personal foul. Habile, dribble ball, pass to Padilla. Padilla, attacking at the middle. No. Foul. Committed by jersey number 7. Pushing foul. First personal foul and substitution. 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining time on the second quarter. First for 3, short, Padilla. dribbling on the run. Padilla attacking by Elia Correa. No. Jersey number 31 pass to Elia Correa. Elia Correa dribble ball. Two guys in. Pass to jersey number 12. Extra pass to Elia Correa. Intercept by Ambile. High whistle. Committed by jersey number 12. First personal foul by jersey number 12. 3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Fadila Novaskat. Viola is there? No. Hilya Correa. Pass to jersey number 11. Back to Hilya Correa. Pass for 3. Bang! Avila dribble ball, looking for opening by Avila. To Padilla. Makes a pass. Two minutes and 25 seconds remaining time on the second quarter game. Hilya Correa pass to Soclana, attacking on the middle. No basket. No basket again. Soclana again. Basket for 2 points. 2 minutes left. Shot up 15. Rebound by jersey number 31. This ball pass to jersey number 21. Intercept by Padilla. Padilla. High whistle. Committed by jersey number 11. Second personal foul. Time out. Jersey